I want to get this again for disabled. What are you training the disabled for?
No, I'm not training the disabled. I'm actually working with someone who is the owner of a very huge company here, a tourism company in Egypt, who just made the doctorate in accessible tourism for disabled. And actually he's also the official representative of the INAT, which is the European Network for accessible tourism. So we're actually opening this new branch here in Egypt to make tourism more accessible for disabled, to open up tourism to Egypt for everyone.
أنا ما فهمتش ولا كلمة يا جماعة. أنا عايزة مترجم. عايزة حد بس عشان يترجم الأستاذ باتريس صعب شوية في اللغة. هو المترجم فين يا جماعة؟ I'm sorry, Patrice, I cannot understand exactly what you're saying, so I'll just ask for an interpreter or a translator.
هي تطوير السياحة الميسرة.
نعم؟
تطوير السياحة الميسرة.
ولا أعرف.